Okay, real talk. I wasn't sure if it would fit my vibe, but every time I wear it, someone asks what it is. Not in a dramatic way, more like, hey, you smell really nice. And honestly, that's all I want from a perfume. This has become my go-to without me even trying. It's like the easiest part of getting ready now. One spritz and I feel finished. Put together. Me, but a little elevated.
That 1-minute UGC video you just watched was made completely with Sora 2, the no watermark version. And the best part is, you can control both the character and the product photo with just one click. So let me walk you through the entire process step by step and show you how to manage all your characters and KOLs. First, log into your Sora account so we can get started. Now we're going to create your own character inside Sora 2. You can record your face directly using the mobile app. Or if you prefer an AI-generated persona, you can create a brand new character from scratch. To do that, simply describe the character you want inside the prompt. Then hit the Generate button to let Sora start creating your video. While it renders, take a quick break. The system will notify you when it's done.
Okay, real talk. I've tried so many perfumes over the years and nothing ever lasted more than a couple hours. They smelled great at first, but completely disappeared by the afternoon. And I got so tired of reapplying all day. Okay, real talk.
Looks awesome, right? You can generate multiple videos like this and pick the character you like best. Here, I'm choosing this one to turn into a character immediately. Trim a short clip that clearly shows the character's face and voice. This helps Sora build an accurate persona. Then click the button to create your character. We'll also take a screenshot of this clip so you can manage your character inside our app later. Now give your character a username, display name, and a short description. You can choose whether only you can use this character, or make it public so everyone can use it. Hit save, and that's it, your new character is officially created. Now let's test your character, and see how well it performs. Retrieve the character using the username in your prompt, then simply describe any action you want after the name. Hit generate, and after a short moment you'll see a brand new video featuring your character in action. And just like that, you've created, saved and deployed your own KOL inside Sora 2.
It's Sophia. Today I'm reviewing this perfume I've been testing all week, and honestly, I was surprised by how long it lasts. Let me show you why I love it. Guys,
Alright, now let's start adding our new character into the app so we can easily manage and retrieve it later. Inside the character manager, just enter a name, a short description, and upload the thumbnail image we captured earlier. Once the character is saved, we can simply type the character name inside any prompt to call it into the output video. Now before choosing a product for our UGC video, let's create a full 60-second script for our character. Open ChatGPT, or any LLM you're using, and load the pre-built template we provided. This template automatically creates a 60-second UGC script broken into 4 prompts, so you can generate 4 Sora videos, each about 15 seconds long. This format works for any UGC product you want to promote. To add your specific product, just specify the product type in the template. This tells the prompt to read the reference image, in this case, a perfume product photo, and structure the script accordingly. Alright, hit enter to generate the script. Each prompt contains 2 parts, the scene context and actions, and a natural dialogue line for your character. Now let's put all 4 prompts into our app. Make sure you start each prompt with the character's username. This ensures Sora uses your character consistently across all 4 videos. Next, let's find a product image for our perfume. Head to any e-commerce website. I'll choose this one as an example. Download the product image, then upload it as the reference image inside the app. Before we generate the videos, we need to add your Sora account token to the app. To do that, we need to install the Google Labs Sora Token Extractor extension. When the app is freshly installed, it won't show any token yet. So first copy the extension ID, then paste it into this special Chrome URL format to open the extension in a dedicated tab. Now open Sora and refresh the page. The extension will automatically detect your token. Copy the token, then paste it into the app's credential settings. Great. Now let's configure our video batch. We're generating 4 videos, each one is 15 seconds. so together they form a clean 1-minute final video. Set the concurrent videos to 4, then enable autosave. And hit Generate Videos. The app will now start generating all 4 videos at the same time, which means the whole batch should finish in around 5 minutes. After a short wait, all 4 videos will appear, ready for viewing or download.
Not a perfume person, but this one instantly made sense. I sprayed it once before heading out and caught myself doing that little
Now we can merge them into a single 1-minute video directly inside the app.
thinking. The bottle alone makes my room look more put together than. Wait, real talk. I wasn't sure if it would fit my vibe, but every time I wear it, someone asks what it is. Not in a dramatic way, more like, hey, you smell really nice. And honestly, that's all I want from a perfume. This has become my go-to without me even trying. It's like the easiest part of getting ready now. One spritz and I feel finished. Put together. Me, but a little elevated.
Once merged, we'll prepare to remove the watermark. To remove the watermark, our final video must be public, so it's best to merge inside the web, then make the merged video public.
Not a perfume person.
Once it's public, we can proceed with the watermark removal workflow. While the merge is running, head over to our Zero2Launch Premium community. Inside, you'll find the Remove Watermark Sora 2 API workflow. Copy the provided curl snippet and import it into a new HTTP request inside your automation tool. Don't forget to replace the API key with your own Zero2Launch key. Then paste your public video URL into the request body.
A perfume person, but this not a.
Hit Execute Step, and after a short moment, you'll receive a brand new Sora video link, completely watermark free.
Not a perfume person, but this one instantly made sense. I sprayed it once before heading out and caught myself doing that little, wait, that's me moment. It's soft, but still noticeable in the best way. I'm keeping this on my nightstand for a week just to see if I'd actually reach for it. And yeah, I keep grabbing it without thinking. The bottle alone makes my room look more put together than it actually is. Wait, real talk. I wasn't sure if it would fit my vibe, but every time I wear it, someone asks what it is. Not in a dramatic way, more like, hey, you smell really nice. And honestly, that's all I want from a perfume. This has become my go-to without me even trying. It's like the easiest part of getting ready now. One spritz and I feel finished. Put together. Me, but a little elevated.